Good morning, friends, and welcome to our fabulous new week. We are starting on Tuesday. We didn't have school yesterday. The sun is shining, the birds are chirping. It's a perfect day to do some math. Today, I wanted to show you a strategy that we can use to solve addition and subtraction problems. If you have manipulative, so cubes like these, or bears, or pennies, or bingo chips, anything that you use to help you count, those are fantastic, and you absolutely can use those. Sometimes we don't always have those, so I wanted to show you another strategy. And the strategy that we are looking at is drawing pictures. So you are going to be able to say, drawing a picture to solve addition or subtraction. You're going to be able to say, I can draw a picture to solve an addition or a subtraction problem. So we're going to practice drawing a picture. Let's start with addition first. Do you have your whiteboard? All right. On your whiteboard, get your mouse over your pause button of the video because you're going to need to pause it a couple of times just to either catch up or to solve, okay? And that's okay. On your whiteboard, the first thing that I want you to write is 2 plus 3 equals. 2 plus 3 equals. You might already know this one because you guys are super duper smart. When we're still learning our strategies, we're still going to use small numbers so that way it's a little bit easy for us because we're not learning the math, we're learning the strategy. Okay? All right. I'm going to use circles because those are easy for me to draw. So I'm going to look at my first number. My first number is 2. So I'm going to draw 2 circles. Okay. Now, I want my second number to look a little bit different, so I'm still going to draw circles, but I'm going to fill them in. I'm going to fill it in. So there's 1, 2, 3. Does your board look a little something like mine? All right, so I see that I have 2 and 3. 2 plus 3 equals, and to figure out what it equals, we just have to count these up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Great job. Let's do another one. Let's do 4 plus 0 equals. 4 plus 0 equals. All right, I'm looking at my first number, and I'm going to draw that many circles. 1, 2, 3, 4. What is my second number? My second number is 0. Do I have to draw or need to draw any circles if I'm adding 0? No. I add 0 circles, so I don't add any circles. So how many circles do I have? I have 4 circles. 4 plus 0 equals 4. Great job. Let's have you practice doing one, okay? I'm going to erase this part of my board. And if you need extra room, you can erase your board. You don't have to write this part. I should have told you that. Sorry. All right. Are you ready? I'm going to give you a super duper hard one. Are you ready for it? 5 plus 2 equals. Go ahead, write this on your board. Hit that pause sign, or hit the pause button, and try to solve this using drawing a picture strategy. Even if you know it, you know the answer. Check your answer that you think it is by drawing a picture. All right, friends, did you draw your picture and you solved your problem? Let's see what 5 plus 2 equals. I'm going to start with my first number, 5, and draw 5 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm going to look at my second number, 2, and I'm going to draw 2 more circles. 1, 2. I see I have 5 open circles, 2 closed circles, 5 plus 2. Count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Did you get 5 plus 2 equals 7? Great job. All right. Let's see how we can draw a picture to solve a subtraction problem. I am going to start with 5 minus 3. This one's going to be a little bit different, okay? 5 minus 3 equals. Remember, this minus is like someone coming in and spreading their arms apart and separating you out, breaking you up, okay? So I'm going to start with my first number, and I'm going to draw that many circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But I'm not going to draw 3 more circles. Why not? I'm not adding or hugging numbers together. I'm breaking them up. Okay? Sometimes on a whiteboard especially, it's real easy to erase it. But if I'm looking at your paper and I'm like, you're a little bit close, but I can't tell where you went wrong at. This is why we write our strategy down and we show our work. So that way I can be like, oh, you started with the wrong number. You had the right process, but you started with the wrong number. Or you started with the right number, but you took away the wrong number. Or, and sometimes it's okay, maybe you added instead of subtracted. All of these things are okay, and they happen. They even happen to Mrs. Rentschler. But that's why it's important to show our work when we do our math. So that way I can see what part or what area we made the mistake in, so that way I can help you fix it. And that's what I'm here for. Mistakes are perfect things. I love mistakes. Okay, back to this. 5 minus 3 equals. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 circles. Remember, on a whiteboard, yeah, it's easy to erase it, but then how will I know how many you started with? How many will I know? How will I know how many you took away? I won't know. So instead of erasing, I want you to put an X over the numbers that you are taking away. I'm taking away 3 numbers, so I put an X over 3 circles. How many circles do I have left that do not have X's? 2. 5 minus 3 equals 2. Great job. Let's try one more together, okay? Let's do 4 minus 4 equals. All right. You do this one with me. So at the same time I'm doing it, you're doing it. Let's draw our circles first. How many circles are we drawing? We're drawing 4 circles. Get your marker ready. All right, let's draw 4 circles together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. How many circles are we putting X's through? 4. All right, get your marker ready. Are you ready to put X's through your numbers or through your circles? Let's count X's. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many circles are left that do not have X's through them? None. None is not a number, though. So what's our answer? 0. Good job. 0. 4 minus 4 equals 0. Good job. All right, I'm going to give you one to try all by yourself, okay? I know you can do it. You guys are so super smart. All right, are you ready? 7 minus 3 equals. Go ahead, hit the pause button, try to solve this one, and then come back to check your work, okay? All right, friends, did you solve it? What answer did you get? Okay, that's a good answer. Let's check and see. First, we need to draw 7 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right. How many am I putting X's through? 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. How many circles do I have that do not have X's through them? 1, 2, 3, 4. You guys are so smart. 7 minus 3 equals 4. Great job. You practiced drawing a picture to solve addition and subtraction problems. Tomorrow we're going to practice this a little bit more, so when you come for math, make sure that you have your whiteboard again.